Hi there. What does the crowd cheer for more than anything? Food. This is all about, first of all, it's Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is an internet marketing podcast most of the time called Hot Internet Marketing Products. And we're just looking today at, it is a cookbook. That's a weird idea. It's an online cookbook. It has 11,000 cooking recipes. And so it is 11,000 Ultimate Recipes Cookbook Ebook. And it's $27.50, $27.75, right in that range. Sorry, I'm at the page. I can bring that up for you. Bam. There we go. Right now it's $27.75. And there is a ton of stuff in here. Obviously, 11,000 recipes covers breakfast, dinner, snacks, desserts, all of that, but also Italian, Mexican, Indian, Chinese, Mediterranean, Thai, French, American, quick and easy recipes, special diet options, whether it's vegan or keto or paleo, gluten-free, low-carb, health-conscious meals, desserts, baking, holiday ones, and there's cooking tips and meal plans and kitchen hacks and all of that. So it is one book that is everything you're going to ever need. You're not going to need to go. And most cookbooks have like 100, 200 recipes, and they're about 20 to 40 bucks for a hardcover real cookbook. This is going to sit in your computer, 11,000 recipes in one place, instant digital access, no subscriptions, it's a one-time payment, lifetime value, thousands of ideas to cook, huge savings, but even compared to buying two cookbooks. This is your kitchen library, always ready. And here's the extra kicker. I like to start at the finish. This time I'm going to finish at the finish, which is look for the pop-up, which asks for your email address in exchange for getting 50% off. So then it ends up being about a $14, 11,000 Ultimate Recipes Cookbook Ebook. So the link is in the podcast description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There's a good description of what's there. You'll see the product box. You can click that or scroll to the bottom. They'll remind you about the pop-up for the email address. And the way you activate that, if it doesn't happen right away, sorry, is you let the final page fully load up. Then you run your cursor to the upper right-hand corner where the X is, and you don't click on that X because that'll close out the page. But the computer goes, hey, you're going to exit from this page. I better give you a special discount offer. So it'll pop up. You give them their email address, and you get it for a half price. So $27.75 becomes just a touch under 14 bucks. 14 bucks for 11,000 recipes. Go check it out. The link's in the podcast description. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Go click the link and check out 11,000 recipes in a cookbook for 14 bucks. Enjoy.